Alright, you Pokemon fanatics. I hope you're excited. We're not gonna be doing just an ordinary... We're not gonna be doing your run-of-the-mill ordinary video today. We're gonna draw not just one, but 3 Pokemon in this video. That's awesome, right? That's awesome, right? I know you're excited as I am, because I've been waiting to draw 3 Pokemon at the same time as much as you are. In this episode, we're going to be drawing the 3 Pokemon from the Galar region in celebration of Pokemon Journeys. And we've heard rumors that a new movie is coming out. It's called Pokemon Secret of the Jungle. And it involves a young boy named Coco and the mythical Pokemon Zarude. Be sure to go to that video to see that Pokemon in celebration of the new movie. Okay, you guys, let's get... So anyways, enough talking. Let's get started. Well, first we're going to be starting off with Grooky. He's a grass-type Pokemon. And, well, he was the first Pokemon I started off with in Pokemon Sword and Shield. And he's been a big help. You see, with Grooky, he often likes to play drums thanks to the stick on his head. And I think that's a really amazing instrument that he uses, especially in battle. His first attack, one of the attacks that I learned to battle with is called Branch Poke. And Grooky managed to use that opponents to take down Hop's Sobble in the game when I played him as him. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Drawing this guy isn't really that hard. So, when you're drawing him, you must draw the hand here. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. Here's Grooky's hand. There's his leg.
Dificultad al contestar, a veces no sé reaccionar. Supongo que cuando me vencen los miedos, prefiero dejarme llevar.
Now we just draw the tail.
Quiero verte más allá, voy a reclamar mis sueños sin pensar en nada más. No me importa lo que crean, si
There we go. There's Grooky. The next Pokemon we're gonna draw. Scorbunny. Alright guys, let's get sketching. As we saw in Pokemon Journeys, Scorbunny is Go's partner, and he's a really big hand. He's good at jumping. His move, one of his attacks is double kick, and he's really fast. When he walks, he leaves a trail of burn marks on the ground. covers his mouth.
Dificultad al contestar, a veces no sé reaccionar. Supongo que cuando me venten los miedos, prefiero dejarme llevar.
There we go. Now here's his ears.
No quiero que acabe el cuento, quiero verte más allá. Voy a reclamar mis sueños sin pensar en nada más. No me importa lo que crean, si me odian me da igual. Si se ríen de mis metas, mi ambición les callará.
There we go. Now we draw the earlobes here.
Dificultad al contestar, a veces no sé reaccionar. Supongo que cuando me venten los miedos, prefiero dejarme llevar. No quiero que acabe el cuento, quiero verte más allá. Voy a reclamar mis sueños sin pensar en nada más. No me importa lo que crean, si me odian me da igual. Si se ríen de mis metas, mi ambición les callará.
There we go.
Dificultad al contestar, a veces no sé reaccionar. Supongo que cuando me venten los miedos, prefiero dejarme llevar. No quiero que acabe el cuento, quiero verte más allá. Voy a reclamar
Here's the leg.
sin pensar en nada más. No me importa lo que crean, si me odian me da igual. Si se ríen de mis metas, mi ambición les callará. Dificultad al contestar, a veces no sé reaccionar. Supongo que cuando me venten los miedos, prefiero dejarme llevar.
There we go. That is Scorbunny.
Quiero verte más allá, voy a reclamar mis sueños.
Lastly, Sobble. He's a water type Pokemon.
No me importa lo que crean, si me odian me da igual. Si se ríen de mis metas, mi ambición les callará.
There we go.
Dificultad al contestar, a veces no sé reaccionar. Supongo que cuando me venten los miedos, prefiero dejarme llevar. No quiero que acabe el cuento, quiero verte más allá. Voy a reclamar mis sueños.
Here we have Sobble's mouth.
No me importa lo que crean, si me odian me da igual. Si se ríen de mis metas, mi ambición les callará.
Now we just draw his head here. Here are some fun facts about him, about Sobble. When this Pokemon starts crying, its tears pack the pain of 100 onions. That's painful. And another thing, my favorite, it blends in with the water and camouflages itself. It's like it becomes invisible. It's kind of like when... It's kind of like when... Well, it's kind of like Vaporeon. It's kind of like the Pokemon, you know, one of Eevee's evolutions. I'm talking about Vaporeon. It could turn itself into water. I don't know why Sobble can't, but its powers are sort of the same. Its powers are sort of the same. That's what makes Sobble awesome.
Al contestar, a veces no sé reaccionar. Supongo que cuando me venten los miedos, prefiero dejarme llevar. No quiero que acabe el cuento, quiero verte más allá. Voy a reclamar mis sueños sin pensar en nada más.
There we go. You're a Digi.
Dificultad al contestar, a veces no sé reaccionar. Supongo que cuando me venten los miedos, prefiero dejarme llevar.
There we go. That's how you draw Sobble. So, how do you guys enjoy my video? Seeing me draw 3 Pokemon at once? That's worth something, right? 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 Anyways, that's how you draw all 3 starter... That's how you draw all the starter Pokemon from the Galar region. From the Galar region, I mean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome and fantastic character I'll draw you guys next. See you soon!